Hate me, call me whoever you want to call, I don't care. As long as I follow God's principle and doctrines when it comes to protecting the rights of my people, defending my land, which is a God-given right, preserving our culture, the love for fellow human beings. I know I have been wrongly portrayed and misrepresented by those who are against this belief and principle, who are too afraid to see that this ideology will one day become an ideological power. When I try to correct the wrong, when I try to teach the people about their rights, when I try to uncover the hidden agendas of those vested interests people who have been exploiting and manipulating the minds of the innocent all the while, I was instead branded as a holier than thou person, which I am not. Let me tell you in a very categorical term that nothing can stop me. All these allegations, insinuations will not be able to reduce the fire within me to fight for the cause of my people and my state. As citizens, we need to be enlightened that this is not the first time in the history of mankind where there are people or groups of people who distort facts, manufacture false narrative to mislead the people in order to protect their interest. I would therefore call upon all the right-thinking people to join us in our fight against these evil forces. Because what we are fighting today is between good versus evil. I will continue to fight with full conviction till the goal is reached, unless the people reject it.